Have you found yourself drawn to someone who seems just a bit out of reach? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of dating and attraction, specifically tackling the challenge when she's playing hard to get. It's a scenario that can throw even the most confident guy off his game. But worry not. We'll walk you through a series of strategies that are not just about getting her attention back, but about understanding the subtle dynamics of attraction and interest. Whether she's giving you mixed signals or just taking her time, by the end of this video, you'll have a new perspective and the tools to re-engage her interest in a way that's respectful, effective, and intriguing. Engage with digital charm. Now let's talk about something we all do, social media. But here's how you can use it to your advantage. Engaging with her posts isn't just about hitting like. It's about showing your interest in a playful and thoughtful way. Drop a witty comment on her latest post or respond to a story with a question that sparks a conversation. This is your chance to show a bit of your personality and get her smiling or thinking. But remember, it's all about balance. You want to be present without overdoing it. A well-timed comment or a thoughtful message can go a long way in showing her that you're not just another follower, but someone genuinely interested in her world. The art of subtle flirting. Now let's get into the art of subtle flirting. Guys, this is key. You want to show you're interested without coming on too strong. It's like a dance, where you're giving just enough to pique her interest, but not so much that it's overwhelming. Think small gestures, like a playful tease about something she said, or a compliment that's genuine but not over the top. It's about creating a spark without starting a fire. Subtle flirting is all about the little things, a look, a smile, a casual touch. These small moments can create an atmosphere of intrigue and attraction. So next time you're chatting with someone you're into, remember, less is often more. Keep it light, keep it fun, and watch the magic happen. Crafting the perfect compliment. Guys, let's talk about compliments, but not just any compliments. The kind that really hit the mark. It's about noticing the little things and mentioning them in a way that shows you're paying attention. Say she's talking about a project she's passionate about. Don't just go with, "That's cool." Dive deeper. Say something like, "Your creativity in that project is really impressive." See the difference? It's about being specific. This shows you're not just throwing out generic lines. You're genuinely interested in what makes her unique. And trust me, she'll notice. It's these thoughtful, specific compliments that can make someone feel truly seen and appreciated. Unexpected talent reveal. All right, let's switch gears to something fun, showing off a hidden talent. Now, I'm not saying you should start juggling or break into song out of nowhere. But, if you've got a cool skill or hobby, find a casual way to bring it into the conversation. Maybe you're great at cooking a particular dish, or perhaps you play guitar. Letting her discover these aspects of you can be a delightful surprise. It adds layers to who you are and keeps her intrigued. Plus, it's a great way to share more about yourself without feeling like you're bragging. Just let it come up naturally, and watch her interest in you grow. Creating moments of laughter. Humor. It's a game changer. Making her laugh is one of the best ways to lighten the mood and show your playful side. But here's the thing, it's got to be natural. Don't force a joke or try too hard. Sometimes it's just about seeing the funny side of a situation or sharing a laugh over something spontaneous. Humor creates a bond, a shared moment that's just between the two of you. It makes you memorable and shows that you're fun to be around. So, keep an eye out for those moments where a bit of humor can turn an ordinary conversation into something much more enjoyable. The mystery factor. Now let's talk about keeping a bit of mystery. Being predictable can sometimes take the excitement out of things. So, mix it up a bit. If you usually text her in the morning, try sending a message at a different time. Or if you have a routine, break it once in a while. This unpredictability keeps things interesting. It shows that you have a dynamic life and that there's always something new with you. A little mystery can go a long way in keeping her intrigued and wanting to know more about you. Listening with intent. This one is crucial, guys. Listening with intent. When she's talking, really listen. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Show her that you're genuinely interested in what she has to say. Ask follow-up questions, nod, and give feedback. This kind of active listening shows that you value her opinions and thoughts. It's not just about hearing the words, it's about understanding the person behind them. When you listen with intent, you're building a deeper connection, and that's something she'll definitely appreciate. Casual invites to shared activities. Let's move on to casual invites. Suggesting shared activities can be a great way to spend time together without the pressure of an official date. Maybe there's a new cafe you want to try, or a movie you both mentioned wanting to see. Keep it low-key. It's like saying, "I enjoy your company. Let's hang out," without making it too formal. These shared experiences can be a lot of fun and a great way to get to know each other better in a relaxed setting. Plus, it shows that you're interested in doing things together, which is a great sign of building rapport. Remembering the little things. Remembering the little things she tells you can make a big difference. Did she mention her favorite author last time you talked? Bring it up in your next conversation. Or maybe she told you about a childhood memory. Ask her more about it. Showing that you remember these details proves that you're not just listening, you're engaging. It's a sign that you care about her life and experiences. This attentiveness can make her feel special and valued, which is a great foundation for any relationship. Expressing genuine enthusiasm. All right, guys, let's talk about enthusiasm. When she shares something about her life, light up. Show that you're genuinely interested. Say she's talking about a hobby or a project she's working on. Respond with genuine curiosity like, "That sounds amazing, tell me more." It's about making her feel that her passions and interests are important to you too. This kind of enthusiasm is infectious. It makes her feel appreciated and can really elevate the conversation. Plus, it's a great way to learn more about her and what makes her tick. Offering a helping hand. Here's a simple yet powerful move, offering a helping hand. Whether it's carrying something heavy or offering assistance with a task, these small acts of kindness can speak volumes. It shows that you're considerate and willing to lend a hand. But remember, the key is to be genuine. Offer help because you want to, not because you expect something in return. This kind of selflessness is attractive and shows that you're the kind of guy who's there for others. Building a connection through shared experiences. Building a connection is all about shared experiences. It's about finding those activities or interests that you both enjoy and exploring them together. Maybe it's hiking, cooking, or attending a concert. These shared moments create memories and stories that are unique to the two of you. They deepen your bond and give you more to talk about and look forward to. Plus, experiencing new things together can be a great way to see different sides of each other. Show genuine interest in her world. In the dance of attraction, showing genuine interest in her world can be a game changer. It's not just about asking questions. It's about diving into her interests, her passions, and her experiences with genuine curiosity. When she talks about her favorite book, ask her what she loves about it. If she's passionate about a hobby, show enthusiasm, and maybe even suggest participating in it together. This approach demonstrates that you're not just interested in her superficially, but you're keen to understand and appreciate the person she is. It's about building a connection that goes beyond surface-level interactions, making her feel valued and understood.